Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix PlayStation 5 turning off while playing games. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. And in the right, you're gonna find your game library. Right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media. Right here, you're gonna find search, settings, and your profile icon. So go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find all of your settings, accessibility, network, users and account, family and parental control, system, storage, and so on. Go ahead and click on system, and then here you're gonna find system software, HDMI, beeping light, language, date and time, and so on. Go ahead and click on power saving, and then here you're gonna find set time until PS5 enters rest mode. Go ahead and click on this option, and then here you're gonna find two options, during media playback and while playing a game. Go to while playing a game. This settings is for when you're on the home screen or when you're using a game or app. Go ahead and click on this option, and then as you can see guys right here, you can set it to after 20 minutes, after 1 hour, after 2 hours, or you can set it to don't put in rest mode. Click on don't put in rest mode, and then right now your PlayStation 5 won't turn off while you're playing a game. So basically guys, this option is only for saving some power. So once you put it on don't put in rest mode, your PlayStation 5 will stay on no matter how long you stay idle. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.